Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yep, this is just going to be a little tutorial video to show you how to follow my trades or copy my trades on unified futures on bitget.com. And basically, if you haven't watched the previous tutorial video on Bitget, you could definitely check it out. But I'm going to do it one more time for unified futures because Bitget is going to be upgrading their platform, and all copy trade futures, regular ones, will be transferred to unified futures. And basically, I'm going to go in depth and explain it to you. So we're just going to go to our assets to start off, and basically you would start off by transferring USDT to here or Ethereum, but if you transfer other pairs, you need to sell it on the spot market for USDT because you can only put USDT into futures accounts. So basically you would receive some right here, and then you would click transfer, and then you would transfer it to the futures account. So this is what we did before. Before we would transfer it to USDT, right? And if I had to trade other pairs, then you had to transfer USDT to separate accounts, right? If I wanted to trade Ethereum and you didn't have any Ethereum in here, then you wouldn't get any money, right? If I trade Ethereum, you would only get money if you had an account in the pair that I trade. Now the new system is that you only transfer USDT to one account, and if I trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, any other coins, you would benefit from it. Now this makes it significantly easier, right? Because you only have to transfer to one account, and makes much more sense. So now I would transfer everything to unified futures, right? So we would go here. Let's just transfer. Let's say we're gonna transfer $100, 100 USDT from futures to USDT unified futures. Once we transfer it from there, that's perfect. Now we have 100 USDT in there. We would go to copy trade unified futures copy. Yeah, unified futures copy trade, and we would type in crypto Bitget. Right here, I only have a 1.36% win rate or profit loss ratio because I only had to do one or two trades so you guys could find me. And the previous copy trades we could see right here, I have a 220% win rate, and it's full. Right? You can't get it anymore. There's only 50 people. I have applied for 100 people, and our Bitget manager should be able to get us 100 people, so more people can join in and copy the trades and join in on all the gains. Right? Everyone that's in here has earned 220%. Oops, so I clicked on it. Yeah, I guess we can take a look at it. It's full. Look at that fire. Very cool to see. Yeah, I think I've only made one bad trade. Right now I'm just on a little tutorial account that I made. I followed myself technically. And yeah, so now you would go to unified futures. We'll just search myself up again, and we could follow myself from there. So we could click follow, or you just click on my name and it's going to say follow the trader, and this is going to be where I'm going to explain everything once again. Future settings, so you want to follow all my trades on all the pairs, and you would select all of them. If you don't want me to trade some, or you don't want to follow my trades on some pairs, then you would unselect them like this. Very simple. And now you would click on the future settings, and now you were going to click fixed amount. I would have 10 USDT, right? You could click a fixed amount that you want to invest every time. You could make it 50, you can make it 100. So now we're not buying contracts, we're just buying amounts. So since I have 100 in here, I guess I would maybe put every time I trade and enter amount, you could put 50, right? Or if you want to put a fixed ratio, you could put a fixed ratio of a certain percentage of your portfolio that you want to put in. But for now, we're just going to put 50 USDT. So every time I enter a trade, it's going to enter 50 USDT for you. So now you can definitely change advanced settings, stop loss ratios, profit ratios. This is all optional, right? But definitely, if you do this, you may risk of missing out on some gains, as some people have set stop losses at 50%, and then they ended up losing money when I actually ended up making money, right? My stop loss went below, we were in a 55% loss, but we ended up closing the trade 63% or 93% profit because that was just my style of trading. And you obviously can change respective settings, which is completely you change all the amounts that you actually want to enter manually for each pair, or you can make it unified, so it's pretty simple. Now the leverage, however, you don't really get to choose the leverage. I will be the ones choosing the leverage. So you can click next from there, and then you can confirm all the other pairs. That's going to be 50 USDT for all the pairs that you're going to be trading, and you confirm. So every time I enter a trade, you're going to be entering a trade with a fixed amount or fixed ratio. And now I'm following myself. So now we could go back to here, go back to unified trades to make sure I followed myself. And yeah, now we have 29 followers. So I guess, or 27 out of 50. So now there's only am I doing my math? 23 spots left, right? 330. Yep, there's 23 spots left. I have applied for 100. Let's see if our Bitget manager gives it to us. Let's say thank, or like maybe shout out to Tim, Bitget manager, to give us 100 people to follow. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. If you have more questions, you can definitely join the Discord and ask me. And yeah, love you guys. Peace. Yeah, and sorry guys, I just wanted to add one more thing. If you want to like join bitget.com, you guys can use my link in the description, and you guys can get a $630 bonus. If you follow all the steps, you get actually earn all the bonuses, and then yeah, definitely helps the channel out. Love you guys. Peace.